Now look at this. This was the original surface, that's A, B, C, and D, and F and E. Now, if I say if I say this line is basically common to D and F, which is right. This line is common to D and F, and this line will be common to F and A. This line and this line, it's a common line. If F will go here, then it will be a common line. And this line will be common to this line, and this line will be common to this line. Say yes if you get this thing. Say yes over the chat, please. Say yes, please. Or should I repeat it? All right. That means you understood this line will be common to this, and this line will be common to this or this. I think this line belongs to this, and this line belongs to this. Is it okay? And this line belongs to this. Just a second, I need to take all this. Just a minute, okay? No, I did not get this. Okay, are you back? Right. So you saying you did not get this, right? Now let's understand it properly again. This line is common to D and F. You said yes, right? You will say yes. This is a common line to F and D. And this line is also common to B and E. This line and this line will be common because they will be coming ahead and join together in this way. Right? Answer it. I'm waiting for the answer. Right? Yes. Now, this line is a common line to this. And once E will move in this way, so this line will be common to this. And likewise, this line will be common to this line. This is a basic 3D. You just see this. Once this surface is going to rotate over this line, since this surface is being connected to all four surfaces, so it can rotate. So once this can rotate, this will go here, this line, and this line go here, and this line will go here. Once this surface segment wants to rotate and is a side over D, so this line will be the common line with D. Right? Now, once you understand this, let's talk about our JE question paper. What's there in JE? If we put a diagonal here over E, I'm putting a diagonal from this point to this point over E. Since E is right now on this position, so where the diagonal could be placed here, either on this side or in this side. So there are two options of placing diagonal, this side or this side. Let's put it, I'm saying, okay, this side would be the great one or this side would be the right one. So Let's put it in logical way. Now, since this corner, put in the logical thing here. This corner has been formed. This corner, the topmost corner, has been formed by which all three surfaces. So you see this corner, and we call it as vertices, and this corner has been formed by C, B, and E. This corner, say C, E, and B. Is it okay? This point is nothing but this point. Niharika, this is clear? Tell me. Should I go ahead again? You see this surface is just nothing but C, and the backside surface is B, and this side surface is E. Once this is going ahead with the one corner, see, this is C and backside is B, again merging toward this vertices, and this side is E. So CBE. Yes? Now, which we say this is yes. So let's talk about CBE. And how about the another side of this diagonal? You please answer it through chat. How about this corner? It's been formed by which all three surfaces, so called down vertices. Niharika, I'm looking forward to see answer. What's your answer? It is A, D, and E. A, D, and E. That's right. This is the base is D, and D is front, and this is. You say A, D, and E, which is right. Now you see that once you trace out what you have traced out here, you have traced out this sort of a design. So this design in mathematically we call it a diagonal. Though I would say this is a design. Okay. Now this has been designed from this corner to this corner. So called this corner is nothing but either this is starting or ending from this point, right? See, now look at this. Once we say CBE, go look at this. Where is CBE? CBE. This should be the E point. Once it rotate, this corner will come to this end. Okay. Now let's say ADE. ADE. Where is ADE? All right. This tells this thing ADE that this starts from this point to this point only. Am I clear to you? So this diagonal will place from here to here only, not anywhere else. That means this should not be the one. So this would be the option that will opt. This is the right answer. Is it okay? Now you understand this is the diagonal that the diagonal will go from here to here. Now, if in case this E would have been not on this position, let's say placed it on this position, E, okay, then where the diagonal could be placed, you will see easily, you will say CBE, CBE. So this should be the diagonal. Right, Niharika? Say answer. Right. So you will call this is CBE. This is the right diagonal here. Instant, look at this. Once I keep E here, which is again right fold. So where the diagonal could be placed, you will say, sir, I have chosen CBE. So this would be the diagonal. Yes or no? Here. Since you have taken CBE is the corner, and this you have taken it from this figure, actual figure, the one figure which is given in the examination. You have taken out this point, and CBE is this point, and this diagram will go from this point to this point only. All right. So that bit you understood here. If we place E here, so this would be the diagonal. Since AD is the corner, right? If this E is being placed in all four angular segments, which will trace it out. What is that? I'm in the class right now. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Now, if we see, this is the one, right? This is the right one. That means you have taken out four options. All four options you said correct. Now this diagonal would be placed in all four options like this. Now, if we place the diagonal here in F in this cross sections in this point, so you understood this point is nothing but you say C top level, F and D. Is it okay? And the bottom level is A, B and F. Is it okay? Say yes or no. Once you say this is ABF, here for this point, A, look at this, ADF. Where is ADF? You will find this up. There is no ADF here. It's only D, C, and F. D, can't you see this point is nothing but this point? Yeah, this point is this point, this common point. So C here would be coming in terms of rotation. Once it will be connected here, so this would be C. So this is C, D, F. The diagonal will be going ahead in this point. Is it okay? Once we have the design on both sides, in fact, so you can place the design according to this, references. These are the references we take out from the design, and you choose this would be the right answer. For if we choose F, E, this one is, so this would be the right answer. This is the right answer. This is the right answer. This is the right answer. Am I clear? So this would be the one of the option that would be given in JE paper, 100%. All right, so you will choose one of the best out of the four options. So that would be the option. Though there are number of options that you see, they are correct one. There are 16 options which are correct, and I have only rotated this segment, by the way, from ABC. Now look at this. It can be rotated in this segment also. That means D and B can be flat. Okay, and A, F, C, and E would be the this surface. Am I clear, Niharika? Look at this. Here, if I say this is F, C, E, and A in this rotation. I have taken earlier the rotation from ABC, and now I've taken the rotation from this side. So this would be the side, and the side flaps are D, and let's say it is B. Am I correct? You understand this? Say yes here. Do you understand? How do we do it? You understand the rotation? First, what we have taken A, B, C, D, like in this format, the rotation. Now another rotation that I have taken it in this segment from here to here. Are you there, Niharika? Now I've taken the rotation from this. That means A, F, C, E, A, F, C, E. If I choose from C, so C, E, A, C, E, A, and F. Is it clear? Okay. Can we move ahead from here? All right. We can move ahead from here. Now, if since we have done the four segment and that's total come out to be 16 option correct for this rotation, don't you think the 16 option would be there from this rotation as well? And the references would be same. These references will not ever changed. This will not change because this is the core drawing that you have taken it from. It will not change at all. All right. You see, CEB. You have taken CBE. CBE. This would be the one. Is it okay? CBE. Now the diagonal would come in this way. Right? Now for F, what was the F? ABF. So A, B would come in here in case. Okay? So this would be ABF. So this would be the diagonal. Are we getting this thing? Say yes. Are we getting this thing right? So once we say this is correct, now you can rotate B anywhere and D anywhere. 16 option would be red. That means there are till date 16 option here, 16 option, 32 options which are correct of one box. Now I had kept the rotation from this side to this side. Can I make the rotation from this horizontal rotation parallel to horizontal like this? In this way the rotation. So this is how the rotation would be in that very case. So in that very case, I'm going to go ahead making another box. So called here, if I say F, D, E, and B, is it okay? And the flaps are top surface and the bottom surface. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay. Now this surface, now as I rotate from this to this, so there would be again 16 option. Now the chosen references was always common. CEB. So where is CB? CE. And where is B here? That means this needs nothing but this corner. And in the diagonal was placed in E. Is it okay? In F, what was this? Is ABF or CDF. I can take CDF here. So C, look at this. This C will come here. This after rotation. This point will be becoming a C here, and this is F, CBF. So look at this C, D, CDF. So this would be that. So in F, here would be that angle. Is it okay? Do you understand what I am trying to say here? Are you getting? Right? So once you see this thing, and I tell you what, you make it right now on the paper, then it will be solved properly. If you do not make it right now on the paper, it will be, you will be having a confusion. So if it is so, you can say right now this is correct. Okay, I know this is absolutely fine. You can choose any other option out of all. Now 32, 16 option. This is 48 option, which are all correct one once you open it. Now you got it. This 360 degree is a basic foundation demo class, which is meant for in fact architecture and which is meant for designer also. A designer need to know everything about all. All right. So this is how the things would be here with us. I can go ahead give you a number of question based with, and you will be keep on answering yes, yes, yes. This is all correct. If you understood this class, it is, for you it is going to be, first class for everyone. In fact, so you can actually go ahead, taking this class as a demo session. Now, what you can do from now, There will be a mathematics class soon will be given by Suji sir. He's from IIT Kanpur. So he'll be giving it once he's been get connected. Since outside nobody is allowed to go outside, so I cannot go the Suji sir home and tell what to do. I have given certain instruction to him, and he will definitely follow that. Very soon he'll be once he'll be getting touch with me and saying that things is being stuff getting tagged properly. I'll get in touch with you soon. Very soon within 1 and 1 point maybe by 3 p.m. I will get in touch again with you. Okay, so that's all for the day. So if you like the class, definitely you say it. Like down, I think there would be a browser and saying it. I like it. So there is a thumb. I think there. If you like it, you say it, I like it. There's a thumb, I guess. Right. I can see the thumb. So you can say it and you can move ahead. If you have any question, and place it here, right, on the chat or text. What it be? Post in case CDF. Just a second. You have this C DF. CDF. Look at this. We start our CDF here. C will come here. C will come here. And this would be CDF. This is the point, and this will go like this. Okay. You just draw it. My first important thing to every student, you draw it on the paper. You'll find it absolutely good. And you'll love it. I'm telling you, every student till they say it's very fun. So you just go through it for this is a basic class, and you won't fail at all in any other question once you fail. And you draw it. You need to draw. I'm not saying all the 48, but at least you draw 32. Structure, hopefully on the copy. You at time you find this is boring, but it will actually cement the memory, good memory in your mind about this. You will not fail. Okay, do it this exercise. Take care.